We've all had a headache, and the questions are always the same. What can I do for my headache? And what are the triggers of my headache? Let's first talk about what is a headache. A headache isn't a bruised brain or a broken skull. It's just a pain that comes from the nerves or the muscles in your head. Primary headaches are centered around your brain and your head. Think of things like migraines, cluster headaches, tension headaches. Migraine headaches come from a nerve in your head, the trigeminal nerve, that can get irritated. Tension headaches come from the muscles around your head and your neck that get tight. Cluster headaches can come from things like looking at a computer screen for too long, and you'll cause eye strain and get headaches. Secondary headaches are due to medical conditions outside of your head. Think of things like infection or fever that increase blood flow to the head. Diabetes that will lower blood sugar will cause a headache. Anything that certainly injures your head, or a tumor, dental condition, and grinding your teeth will make your head hurt worse. Don't forget about allergy. Anything that irritates your sinuses, that's up in your head, that'll cause pressure and you'll get a headache. Here are some interesting triggers that may cause your headache. We know that certain foods, like chocolate, nitrates, which are found in things like bacon and cold cuts, fermented foods like cheese and wine, a hangover can cause headaches, mostly because of the dehydration that occurs with alcohol. Hormones can be a trigger for headaches. Birth control pills, pregnancy, even different times of month for women. Everyone wants to know how to make their headache go away. It's also interesting to know why it works. Let's talk about pain relievers like aspirin. Aspirin will decrease a signal that's sent around in your head called a prostaglandin. That chemical is what causes inflammation and makes your head go ow. Caffeine is another popular kind of medication that will decrease your headache. Caffeine will decrease the blood flow to your brain. So if you're ever wondering, why do I get a headache when I don't drink coffee? It's because your head is used to having the caffeine be the policeman about how much blood flow comes into your head. You'll start to get a headache when you don't have that caffeine that moderates how much blood flow goes into your head. Lastly, allergy treatment. About a third of people who suffer from allergy will have a headache. So treating your allergy will make your headache go away. What you want to do is relieve the pressure in your sinuses. You can use things like decongestants or prescription anti-inflammatory nasal sprays. Something to really be aware of: if you have a headache that is the worst headache of your life, something like a thunderclap, seek immediate attention. So keep these things in mind and be well.